YouTube, what's going on? It's Kyle again with ePoolSupply. Today we are going to walk you through a very simple step on upgrading your Polaris cleaner. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So today we are going to walk you through how to install Polaris's Tail Sweep Pro. So for those of you out there that do have a pressure side pool cleaner and you've got a Polaris out there, they've got different models of their three-wheeled cleaners. I believe that this one right here is actually the 380. So this is just a working display, so there's no internal parts moving around in here, but definitely will give me an opportunity to show you guys the awesome upgrade that you guys can do to the tail sweep. So for those of you that don't know, as the cleaner runs along the floor of your pool, this tail sweep is just whipping around behind it, and it generally stays close to the ground, but it does whip around, and it's actually got a small orifice here on the bottom that actually sprays water out. So it's not only scrubbing the bottom of the floor with the scrubber, but it also has the nozzle to spray everywhere, so then that way it kind of kicks up that extra dirt and debris that the cleaner just happened to miss when it goes through. So that way you can pick it back up on the next round. So for those of you that do have a pressure side pool cleaner, you are aware that this thing can get a little violent of whipping around, especially once this kind of goes up the walls, gets into a shallow end, and does have the tendency to spray water all over the place. So an additional part that Polaris has came out with is actually called a Tail Sweep Pro. So opposed to just your traditional one where you have this little scrubber that can just come on and off and you just kind of replace as needed, the Tail Sweep Pro has a different functionality in it where it actually provides 50% better flow on the end, so you don't take that opportunity of whipping the water all over and getting it all over your house, your windows, your doors, whatever it may be. So really cool additive that they have for these three-wheel cleaners. It does not work for every pressure side pool cleaner, so definitely want to stick OEM with Polaris on this one. But let's open it up and I'll show you guys how to install it real quick. So real simple little box. We have all the links to purchases below, as well as full breakdowns on the cleaners, so then that way you can kind of see which one would actually work with this Tail Sweep Pro. So right off the bat, they do give you a little piece of paper in here that kind of shows you how to get it to function correctly, but I like to think our videos are a little bit easier to follow. So push it over here. So first thing you're gonna do is, obviously you're gonna pull this out the water, you're gonna remove your hoses, you're just gonna set it down on the side, make sure your pump's off, so that way you're not taking the risk of water shooting everywhere trying to do this. If you don't have scrubber on it already, then you're good to go, but if you do, you just wanna simply pull it off. If it's still in good condition, hold on to it, because you can actually use it sometimes to give you a little bit of an extended life while you wait on a new Tail Sweep Pro to come. It's made up of a different kind of material, so it actually is lasts a little longer than the traditional tail sweep, as well as gives you a better dispersal of the water, so you're not taking that opportunity to risk it. So real simple. You can see it's got the two directions, very similar to the end of it. You're going to just want to take this side with the clips and you just push it over your existing one, and it actually clip in and makes that noise. So really simple. It grabs the bottom of the end of the tail sweep and then you're good to go. So now when you throw this thing back in there and you get it working, you're gonna have much better water dispersion from the back, as well as a better quality scrubber there from them to last a little bit longer in the scrubbing process for everything. So really cool thing to add on to your pressure side pool cleaner. Definitely will save you some time and energy, and hopefully keep you wet so that you don't take the opportunity of getting this thing flung at you. So really cool. Definitely recommend Tail Sweep Pro. Again, we got the part number right here, and we got everything listed down below for you guys. So again, today we went ahead and installed the Tail Sweep Pro on Polaris's three-wheeled cleaner. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.